All right, so I've got the Galaxy Tab A11, and let me show you how to enable developer options. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So you want to go into settings, and then under settings, scroll all the way down to about tablet, tap on that, and then go to software information, tap on that, and then look for build number, this one right here. So you want to tap on this about 7 times, and then after you enter the correct passcode, it's going to ask you to allow development settings. Just tap on OK, and now developer mode has been enabled, as you can see. So now to access the developer options, just go back to the main settings page, and this time about tablet will not be the last thing. You will see developer options right below that, and you tap on it, and that opens up your developer options. Thanks for watching, and good luck.